Thank you for choosing Robot-Coupe. This is a training video explaining the essential steps for the assembly and operations of your food processor. This video is suitable for R752, R752VV. Assembly. Vegetable preparation attachment. Place the vegetable bowl on the motor base. Install the ejection disc. Place on the vegetable lid. Secure with the hinge pin. Install the exactor tube and the pusher. Install the removable divider if required. Close the safety latch. Installing discs, grating, slicing and julienne. Position the disc on the motor shaft. Close the lid, then the safety latch. Only for R752VV, select the speed from 300 rounds per minute to 1000 rounds per minute on button. For 2 speeds models, start speed 1 for vegetable preparation attachment, 750 rounds per minute for 50 Hz machine, 900 rounds per minute for 60 Hz machine, continuous feed. Stop-start function. Off button. Loading cone attachment. Open the large feed pusher. Remove the removable divider. Close the large feed pusher. Open the lid. Install the disc. Install the loading cone with the washer. Close the lid and reassemble. Cabbage ejector and corer attachment. Remove the ejection disc. Install the cabbage ejector. Screw in the cabbage corer with the washer. Close the lid. To remove, open the lid. Loosen turning anti-clockwise with the spanner. Installing discs. French fry equipment. Open the lid. Install the French fry grid. Line up the tongue with the groove on the motor base. Insert the French fry slicer. Close the lid and the safety latch. Install the removable divider. Installing discs, dicing equipment. Install the dicing grid. Line up the tongue with the groove on the motor base. Install the dicing slicer. Close the lid, then close the safety latch. Accessories. Decleaning kit. Place the grid facing down. Line up the tongue with the groove on the grid support. Use the scraper tool. Match cleaning tool comb size to dicing grid, suitable for the 5, 8 and 10 mm grids. Use the other side of the scraper tool for smaller areas. Assembly. Cutter attachment. Insert the seal into the lid. Insert the lid scraper. Attach the arm to the paddle assembly. Place the bowl on the base and turn anti-clockwise. Insert the blade. Lock the lid, large tab at the front, and turn anti-clockwise. On button. Select speed blade from 300 rounds per minute to 3,500 rounds per minute for cutter attachment. Start speed 2 for cutter attachment, 1,500 rounds per minute for 50 Hz machine and 1,800 rounds per minute for 60 Hz machine. Off button. Pulse button. Only for 752 RVV, press both pulse and on buttons for R mix function. Controls. Timer function. If the timer is not set, the time will count upwards. Off button. Select plus and minus to reset the timer. Press plus or minus to select the desired run time. On button to start the timer. Watch next chapter for accessories.